Hey guys, Natalie here with Cherry Bomb Fireworks. So today we are going to be demoing our gender reveal mega smoke. We have a pink and a blue, obviously. We have a huge demand for gender reveal smoke, so we decided to try these ones out. They look pretty cool. They got a pull string, so let's see how they go. Alright guys, so first we're going to try out the pink mega reveal smoke to start with. We got this pull string and here we go. Sparks a little bit. It is nice and pink, so that's good. We're going to be doing our blue mega smoke reveal, and let's see how this one goes. Ooh, that's a good blue. Oh my god, it's so pretty. That's an amazing blue. Holy crap. Just so you guys know too, this is our first time seeing this, so you get our real reaction, my real reaction.